Voiceless sounds. Voiced sounds. G, ng, d, v, n, v, b, m, y, r, l, w. Voiceless sound. H. Voiceless sound. Ch, sh, s. Voiced sound. J, j, z. Hissing sounds. Sh, j, s, z. Voiced sounds. All vowel sounds. Books, bags, oranges. S, z, is. A book, a bag, an orange. Books, bags, oranges. Voiceless sounds. S, taps, roofs, cakes, pots. Voiced sounds. Z, pods, kegs, rings, apples, marbles, eagles, tails, tails, hooves, girls, arms, pens, fans, lemons. Vowels. Z, bees, trees, keys, stories, eyes, toys, windows, bananas, umbrellas, flowers, hours, chairs, cars, ears, doors, jokers. Sibilance is a match, two matches, a dish, two dishes, a horse, two horses, an orange, two oranges, a garage, two garages, a rose, two roses. Watches, bunches, faces, places, size, sizes, house, houses. A cat, two cats, a bird, many birds, a few songs, two boxes. A cup, half a dozen cups, two cubs, a pair of glasses, a page, many pages. Oranges and lemons sold for a penny. All the schoolgirls are so many. The grass is green and the rose is red. Remember me when I'm dead, 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 dead. Oranges and lemons sold for a penny. All the schoolgirls are so many. The grass is green and the roses red. Remember me when I'm dead, dead, dead. One sheep, many sheep. One person, many people. 1 foot, 2 feet. One fish, many fish. One child, many children. Plurals, s after voiceless sounds. Cats, dips, sticks, baths, roofs. Z after vowels and voiced sounds. Shows, toes, dogs, hooves. Is after sibilants. Horses, houses, judges. Past tense. After voiceless sounds, liked. D after voiced sounds and all vowels, begged, rode. Id after t and d, wanted, grounded.